Processing theory, it is the theory that focuses on how people attend to receive information, encode them, and process them in order to be retained or stored in the memory, then retrieved once they are needed. The most common model is the two-stored model that is suggested by Atkinson and Shiffrin in 1968. It starts with a stimulus, which can be visual or auditory, and then it reaches the sensory register. It has a huge capacity but very short duration, and then the information goes to the working memory or short-term memory. It has a limited capacity, holds around 7 units of information plus or minus 2. It has a limited duration. The information must be rehearsed in order to be retained. Once the information is processed into the long-term memory, we can say that the information has been learned. If not, then the information can be forgotten. The long-term memory can also be called permanent memory. It has a large capacity and a long duration. In order to get the information into the long-term memory, there are several techniques or ways, such as imaging, coding, meaningful learning, elaboration, knowledge base. The control processes are the processes that regulate and control the flow of information throughout the information processing theory. The process that is responsible of the movement of the information from the sensory to the working to the long-term memory. So if the information is retained, you will have to use it. So according to this, you will have to retrieve the information. Some of cognitive processing occurs automatically, like brushing your teeth or washing your hands, and some needs to be encoded through meaningfulness, organized information, or elaboration, procedural knowledge. It depends on each person. So if the information has been learned, so why do we forget? It's a very debatable issue, whether the information is lost from memory or whether it's still present but cannot be retrieved because it has been disordered. The most known theory is the decay that states that if you don't use it, you lose it, and the interference theory that states retroactive interference occurs when new verbal associations make remembering prior associations difficult, and proactive interference refers to older associations that make new learning more difficult. And this is a summary of the information processing theory model. Yes, theory. Thank you.